Okay. Might need to update this chat widget really fast, and then I should be good. Okay. Let's test if that works. I don't know if it does. Yeah, there we go. All right. So what I'm going to do in this stream is I am going to essentially, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all my Lua stuff and I'm going to put that on the master branch. And then I'm going to save all this and I'm going to put it on another branch. I have a bunch of stupid branches here. But I'm going to call it stable snapshot LSP or stable snapshot native LSP or something. I don't know. Yeah, probably call it stable snapshot native LSP. So that if someone wants to use this old config, they still can. So let's go do that. What's the easiest way to do that? I think I was working on some of this on my laptop. So let's open up a terminal here. I'm going to just do big text so people can see better. Config mvim. All right. Git pull. No merge conflicts. That's good. And let's just see. Let's get checkout. That's how you spell check. Checkout. And we're going to call it, what are we calling the one for COC? Calling it stable snapshot COC. So we're going to call this stable. Oh, okay, we already had that there. Native LSP. Check that out. Wait, it still has all this shit, and it was just pulled from git pull or origin master. Is my internet still going down? No, it's not gonna give me that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna just get checkout master. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get checkout flag B. We'll do all this. I'm just going to be lazy. All right. And now what we'll do is push this up. Stable blah 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 LSP-1. Yep. All right, so now if somebody wants to do that, they can do that. I'm going to merge all of this stuff into the master branch. Lua config. I feel like my internet's still kind of shit. I kind of want to move these chats around. I know that's not the perfect place for it. Let's see, what would be a good place? For now, we'll just try putting it over here again. Okay, and then I'll just try to make it full screen maybe, or you know what, maybe I'll just start moving this over here. This is a little weirder to look at, but yeah, might be better. So now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna merge this guy in. We're gonna squash merge. We're gonna say the Lua journey. That's not how you spell journey. Journey begins. Put some dots. All right. Whoops. All right, now let's go here. There's also been some helpful feedback. I've been looking at some of these pull requests too by Martin, and it looks like he's got some useful information. I might not look into it right this second, but I'll probably look into it soon. I just wanted to put this out there, like put all of this into the master branch so that people can just put pull requests against this and, you know, do what they need to do. Before I get started too, if you guys want to keep up with what I'm doing, you guys can check out my blog. I'll leave a link in the description, and you guys can check me out on Twitter, obviously GitHub, obviously YouTube. The Discord community is actually pretty active. There's like a good amount of people there, so if you have questions or something like that, you can check that out. And if you want, you can support me on Patreon. I don't even know why I have this LinkedIn thing here. I don't even post this stuff on LinkedIn or use LinkedIn at all, really. Anyway. That should be good. What's up, chat? What's going on? Noodle, Augie, and then this guy's name, which there's no way. I don't even know if that's even a language. But hello. Alright, this is that old chat, so we'll get rid of that. I don't need my blog right now. I was looking into NeoGit, but some things, we're gonna go back to git pull, and we should get all the new stuff. Actually, I think it just put in, which branch am I in? Let's go back to master. Git checkout, master, pull. All right, this auto load thing's gotta go. All of that looks fine. So let's get started with this again. One thing I might have to do is pack. No, not that kind of pack. Packer sync. Somebody, by the way, tell me what I'm doing here, that it needs to ask me this every single time. I hate that. It drives me nuts. I love Packer. It's cool. No idea why this happens. So we're going to say no. Just make sure everything's pulled down. Okay. These are some updates. We can see, all right. Updated some junk. Yep. Failed to what? Failed to update. And then I guess maybe it did update. And this is some stuff from there. Okay, cool. Yep. It's because of opt/start. Yeah, so what would you put in there? Is this stream buffering again? I hope not. It's moving between the two, and you've left things in one place, etc. Okay, so what I'm going to do then is I'm going to go into plugins. Now, okay, we have start, git clone, blah, 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 into install path, and add this. Now, what I can do is I did use both. So it's in .local. Let's go home.local.share to blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me go back. See, I have opt and start in here. Note that specifying things like setup or keys, etc. automatically makes things go to opt. I'm going to have to look into that. I don't know much about that. Will I be able to use awful module from awesome window manager in my init.lua when I eventually switch over? I don't know. I don't use awesome. But, oh, yeah, no, you will be able to. Like the native module, what you're going to want to do, I'm just going to go on a tangent really fast, I guess, on this. This doesn't open on Startify anymore, so we're going to have to go into .config, Neovim, init.lua now. What you'll have to do is in your Lua language server, you're just going to want to add it down here into like your workspace, runtime files. Maybe. I don't know if you need that for sure. And then like globals and things like that. You should be able to add it in here. I think this is where you would add anything for awesome. In the language server spec there. So let's go back here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all of this stuff. Yes. All right. Nvim. Thank you. Quit. Nvim. Sure. And what we want to do is packer sync. It's not picking up everything all the time. I wonder why. Failed to install Tree Sitter Playground and Rainbow. Alright. Fair enough. Alright, what are we complaining about? I'm going to have to wait for Tree Sitter to do its thing. read through the section in the Packer README where it specifies the keys that can be used for use command function. All right, I might just have to read through that. There might just be a little bit of pain. Let me take this chat, by the way. I'm going to throw this on the second workspace here so I can read what you guys are saying. In your config, in the site of float term, have bindings doesn't work. Well, float term, I might not be using that in the future. I'm trying to kind of get things down. Kinesis Advantage 2. Is that a keyboard maybe? I don't know. I've never tried it. I'll check it out. Why do you convert .vim to .lua? Nobody know. Because I don't know, man. Like, you got to be keeping up with all this stuff. Basically, like Neovim has like Lua built in now, kind of like how Emacs has ELIST built in, and it's way better than VimScript, and everybody knows VimScript is a nightmare, and we'd all rather write things in Lua, so we're converting everything to Lua. Hit CR on those, and you'll see why it's error. Yeah, I know. I'll check that out. I'm not really too worried about it yet. I'm also trying to figure out like why. Okay, we're not getting errors anymore. And then let's go cd config blah, blah, blah. init.lua. All right, no more errors, no more nonsense. We're gonna go back to pack sync. I don't think that'll fix my thing. I thought it would, but that's fine. It looks like this time everything's up to date. That's good. How we can know that the other one's installed is we can do TS and we can check highlights, capture under cursors. There it is. So the playground extension is actually here with us. So that's good to know. I'll probably check out NeoGit later. I wanted to kind of fully configure what I have here. Like, okay, there's some issues. Like if I go like this, I want that to be green or blue because I modified this line and not that color. That's fine. Tree setter's fine. Eventually I want to update Galaxy line and to be more modern. I think there's some cool ones. If I go check out, let's see, Galaxy line, Galaxy line. Even my connection was interrupted. We're gonna be in and out constantly with this stupid internet, man. By the way, if I have any Arch Linux experts in the chat, someone should debug my internet for me. Lua is for cool kids, yeah. It is a keyboard. Am I going to play with Emacs? Probably not. I only have time for one window manager, one code editor, and that's about it. Maybe in the future. I don't know. We'll see. But I doubt it. Now that Lua's here, I doubt it. I don't see a reason to leave, you know? Let's see, this guy's got some examples. My thing wasn't the example. Pull requests, issues, yeah. Let's see if we can get some inspiration here. Oh, mine has a good amount of upvotes. I guess people do like mine. But I want something different. I want something... This looks nice. Yeah. One day I may come back and check out this guy's thing. Because I like the... I don't know. It just looks good. Anyway. So... But I'm not going to do that right now because I already have a working line. Auto pairs works. Get signs. That's the thing. So... What we need to do is we need to go check out Lua and go to get signs and here, and then we need to check out some of these highlight groups. We got get signs, add, change, delete, and change. So there's only 3. I don't know what num highlight is or line highlight. To be fair, I only know what just regular highlight is. Let's try just updating the color scheme. Also, another one I'm gonna want even before I start because it's kind of difficult to edit text without this is, where's awesome Lua? It's gotta be somewhere. Do I not have it open anymore? Okay. This awesome Lua thing is like Lua. No, not awesome Lua. It's awesome Neovim. I might check out awesome Lua too, though. What were we here for? Commentary. K-O-M-M blah blah blah. All right. There are other ones. Comment and support generate annotation. Fast and light commenting plugin written in Lua. Com around, procdoc, and commentary. Let's see what we got for number of commits and how active they are. So this guy 6 days ago, last month, looks pretty active. All written in Lua. Lots of commits. Like, well, not lots of commits. It's 59. Glepner makes some good stuff. He has 15 commits. A lot of it's in Lua. I don't know what this does for me. What does it do? Okay, that's just regular commenting. Okay. Looks like it does like some documentation too. I might look into that. But for now, I think the reason I like this one, I think there was a reason, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna, yeah, I just want to do leader, that, create default mappings. We're gonna get rid of the default mappings. We're gonna put our own in. Single line comment for a language. Okay. Multi-line comments. I think it does multi-line too, yeah. So that's what I kind of like about it. I don't know if I actually even like that though, because multi-line's cool and all, but I like to sometimes comment on a big chunk and then, you know, put it back, like put back pieces of it. Anyway, it should be enough for now at least. Let's do, not plugin. That's where that compiled nonsense goes. Let's go into plugins and then let's go down to here and put that there and go like that. And does it pick up on it immediately? Nope, I don't think it does. No, I don't want you to do that. There we go, we got commentary. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing as I've been doing. I'm going to create a, nope, I'm going to create a directory here. We're going to call it MV commentary. What's the, I guess you put a K because commentary is already a thing. And then we're going to do .lua. Let me know if the buffering is... Yeah, Martin, I saw some of those. I'm going to definitely check them out soon. The option thing definitely looked interesting. Let me know if the stream buffering becomes too much, and then I will spend a non-trivial amount of time working on that in the future, fixing that. NV commentary dot... What did I even put? All right. First of all, this is supposed to be a directory. Lua NV commentary / and then init.lua. All right, we're in here. Let's whoops. All right, let's advanced mappings. If you don't want to use the default mappings, you can disable. Yeah, I'd rather not use your default mappings. Here are some different. Yeah, that looks like it does lots of extra nonsense. Maybe not though. Line increase? What is a line increase? Which behind the scenes calls the following chunk of code. Can I, where is, oh, insert comment below. I just want to do a regular like comment. What the hell is a decrease? Okay, here we go. I think. Copy that. Now we have this. We're gonna do, I just want to do that. And this is also for this. Motion default. I'm not sure what this really gets me. And then we'll just do that. Yeah. The only other thing we're going to need to do is come back over here into init.lua, go like this, and we want to do mvim commentary. Yes. Yeah, all right. There we go. Look at that. Can I do this? Sweet. See now, what if I wanted to do that, right? That's one thing I don't like about multi-line comments. You know, I guess I could always just go like that, but whatever. Maybe I'll get used to them. Who knows? The important thing is that I can comment very easily now. And that's all I really wanted. So this I'll look into later, into what these cool things do, and what like a motion gets me. Motion default. Like I'll read about it later, I guess. All right. Vim.lua guy. We got the comments. What was the other thing that I wanted to check out? I wanted to fix the get signs thing here. So what I want is these highlight groups to be colors that are not white. So we're gonna go, first of all, let's just push all this stuff up. Add, anyway, like at work, I can use this thing and it makes me faster at writing code. And then also, it's let me have a YouTube channel, and I've written a blog that has, you know, that's all done in React, and I've wrote it all with this, or at least my old config. And then also now I'm rewriting this. I have my whole dotfiles repo. That's even getting pretty popular. I want to start doing more machine learning stuff, which I'll be able to do once I have it all set up for Python. And actually now I just kind of want to learn Lua, because Lua is pretty awesome. I have other repositories here that do different things. I guess the reason I do this so much is because it took off so much, and like I get, you know, this is what gets me the most views. So let's go here. People seem to be interested. People seem to be struggling a lot with this stuff, and I don't blame them because it can be hard. MV code, color schemes. Let's go to mvcode.yaml. And I think a lot of people get a lot of use out of my config too. Like, there's like, you know, there's a non-trivial amount of people using it. There's this. We're gonna look for get. Is there really no get in here? I feel like I had get gutter. All right, whatever. We'll put it at the bottom, I guess, or maybe. I hate that. I have a way to fix that. I just have to find it. All right, let's make this nice and big. Now what we're gonna want to do is we'll just go like this. Kill that. And then we're gonna come down here. Oh, you know what? Delete. I have to change tabs. Is that really how we're tabbing still? That's got to be fixed. Seriously, man? That's trouble. Now let me go back and look at what I have in here for get gutter. So if I go to this, and then we go to plug config, and then we go to, what was I doing here? Yeah, get gutter. There we go. I'm gonna go with these colors here. Where are we? Might not even put them in a thing. 587, what is that? COC, C0C. So 587, C0C. That'll be that one. Delete or change will be hashtag 0C 7D9D 7D9D. And then we're gonna put for delete hashtag 94151B. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this generate script that I got from another repo that I talk about in this repo. And that should do that. We'll do lazy git, push this up, update, get signs. Someone will have to do it for the other color schemes, I guess. Or maybe I could build it in the config, but I probably should put it in all the color schemes. And now we'll do green back, because the start screen actually was more useful than I thought it was. Pack sync no. There we go. See, now that's green, that's blue, and if I delete a line, that's red. That's what we want. Now, one thing I don't like is that it's constantly moving. I just want to keep that sign column open. I used to do get gutter enabled for that, but I know there's a setting that keeps it open. So let's go quickly into settings, and I really should fix that. See how it says sign column? Is there help for sign column? Like, can I just do help sign column? Yes, I can. When and how to draw sign column. Valid values are auto, only when there's a sign to display. Auto 1 through 9. Resize to accommodate multiple signs. Okay, yes, no, a number. Number of signs in the sign column. If the number is not present, that it behaves like auto. So maybe if I just put a number in there, like if I just put like 2. That didn't work. At least I don't think it did. Unless I need to put 3. I'll try 3. No. No. Let me see in the chat if anyone has anything to say. It always uses single line comments. Oh, and Vim comment? I'll have to check that one out. My first setting up Arch Linux video has no audio? Really? That sucks. I was talking the whole time. Do you want to configure LSP to support ESLint plus prettier? Yeah, I'm going to do that. Posted my config in a comment of your last video and it was deleted. I just had the wrong scope. You're right. I think I need window scope, right? I might need to put WO. Yeah, definitely send me the ESLint prettier stuff. You can open it up as an issue on GitHub. That'd be very helpful. Oh, I know you can do Control A and Control X. Yes and :2. Remove the quotes. I don't think so. I don't think that'll help. You might be right about the sign column thing. I think I have to do this. And then if I put yes, let's try that first. And then we'll try something else. Look, see? Check that out. All right. What if I go like this? And then what if I also do that? Do I get both? No, one overrides the other one, huh? I'm okay with that overriding that. That's fine with me. I actually want to update those to be like symbols instead of W and all that kind of stuff. I have something to do that too. But I don't know where I'm going to put that. You know what? I'm going to put it in init, in LSP, for like all the base LSP stuff that I should have. So like if I come back here and I go into Lua and I think it's an LSP. My old config, at first it was pretty comfy and now it's gotten to be a little out of hand. Here you go. Let's take this, put it there. And now we have things like this text stuff for all these things. And now what we can do, and I'll probably update the highlights and shit for this later. But what we can do is put in some nice symbols, and I'll get them from my COC settings. So I don't have COC settings in this one anymore. We're gonna have to go to the snapshot COC. Yeah, see how there's just way too much shit. This is gonna confuse anyone who's new, and a lot of the stuff I'm doing people who are kind of new. I definitely have cool symbols in here. Somewhere. Here we go. This is our error sign. It may just look like a box, but when you put it in there, it's an X. Warning sign. This is a warning. This is an info. What's this say? Information. Yep. Looks like this matches up pretty well. I don't like this eye. It's just like bigger than everything else. I'm going to use it for now, but in the future I might get rid of it. And then a hint. What did I decide on for hint? A wrench? Huh. I think I want to put a light bulb instead in the future. Anyway, should be fine. Now if I put, that's fine. Hey, why is it still a W? And it should work. Maybe because the reason is this LSP, I'm just gonna bring in the whole thing. I don't know if that'll double source this. I guess I'll find out in the future. There you go, see? Now we have that. If I put something like, I don't know, I guess, is this an error? That's just a warning? Oh, because I guess it's an undefined global. Now, what if I go like this? See? Now I get the wrenches and all the other nonsense. Cool, 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 cool. Let's see the chat. How can I send a link in chat? I have no idea. You could join the Discord and send me links there. Everybody here should be in the Discord. If you want multiple signs, you need to specify. Yeah, I don't know if I want multiple signs, though. I'll check it out. And get signs. Yeah, maybe I will put that. I'm going to try putting yes to, like you said, and we'll see if that's too big. Switch bar called speed dating. I use speed dating in my other config, but there's a new thing called dial I might check out. Just joined your Patreon? Awesome. Thanks, man. config. Look to fork your new Lua config and using it. Awesome, man. Thanks for helping me out on Patreon. This is a great mapping to use with speed dating. Let me save this somewhere. Where can I put it? You know where I'll put it? I'll put it in, let's just shoot the Discord over into 1, and then let's take the Discord and put it on 2 next to you guys. And I'm just gonna put that in here just to have it just in case I want that. I don't know if everyone's in chat's probably gonna be like, what is this? Control A, you can switch between booleans and consts. Okay. Didn't convert it to Lua yet. Yeah. Selling a decent MacBook Pro. What? Get out of here. Why is my mouse getting stuck? Mac CX if switch. Okay, there's another one for Control X, I guess. Jeez, man, this is buggy right now. Is this just the? All right, I can't even be there. Oh, you're sending me there. Awesome. Lua yet. Yeah, I'll check that out in a minute. Thank you for that link. Now that we have proper coloring there, we're going to want proper coloring for this stuff, right? So I'm going to want that to be a red X. I'm going to want colors and shit. Yeah, so also, we should probably base them on what we have down there. What we have down there is, I don't know where we're getting those colors from. Let's jump over to another workspace, and we'll open up repos, and we'll open NV code color schemes, and check out. Someone's gonna have to update all my other ones, and that someone's probably gonna have to be LSP. Here we go. Why did I get rid of them? Underline error, error red, underline warning, orange, line information, hint, gray blue. Who put gray blue there? Gray blue just became a thing. Oh, I put it there. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, let's do this. I hate that this thing doesn't automatically close. I know there's a setting to do it. I just haven't done it. Let's do this. Generate lazy get AC update for native LSP push. All right. We're here now. What we're gonna do is do pack sync. We're gonna be annoyed by that until I'm smart enough to fix it, which maybe never. Now we have that. We should be able to go here. And now, if I put an error, really? Okay. Did I not name them the right thing? LSP diagnostic sign error. Default error, default. Damn it. These are probably other highlight groups. Alright, let's take these all. Then let's jump back over to 3. Open up MV code YAML. Jump to the bottom. Actually, let's just search for LSP. Diagnostics. Let's see what the different. We got sign. Oh, yeah. So those are the. Yeah. Okay, I remember. I remember the reason I don't have these is because I thought they were stupid. And then let's do this. Maybe they aren't stupid though, who knows. And then I'm just gonna, actually what I can do is we could just do this. No, you know what? You don't want to do that. The better way to do it, I think is, yeah, that. There we go. Really gonna tab me all the way? Oh, you know what? I think what was good for this was Vim Sleuth, I think, is what helped me with this. Because 8 tab spaces is too far. And that's annoying. Wow, yeah, awesome. That's just what I wanted. How did you know? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do error red. We're going to do, for warning, orange, information, yellow, tello, yellow. Now the other one, I think I want to put a different blue there. I might just put regular blue. Let's find out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. I'm going to do color picker, and then I'm going to go click on, wait, I thought there was something over here a second ago. Stop with your nonsense. All right. I felt like there was, if I go like this maybe. No. If I jump over here, and then if I go like this, and then if like that, that's just going to be errors. I think the way that I did it before was this. No, that gives me a warning. Let's jump over here and do require. Another warning? Really? You know what? Maybe if I do this. There we go. So now what we're going to do is do color picker, and we're just going to match this against that. So 569 CD6. And we're going to jump over to here again, and we're going to see what we have that mapped to, because I know I have it mapped to something. CD6 is regular blue. All right, so we'll come down here again, come over there, and just put it as regular blue. Look at that. All right, another generate, and another lazy get. Update, LSP, colors, color rows. Come over here, get rid of that. Let's go make sure this works, and then I'll see if there's anything else in chat. Pack, sync. No, don't do that. Yes. All right, now if I do this. Dude, what? Did any of them work? I found a way to do the other one. So if we open, maybe it's because I don't have the other ones and it's mapping them to them. No, it's not giving me any colors. How come? I think I don't have regular highlight set. Yeah, these are doing. Duh. All right, hold up. We want to go look at what we have in get signs, and that's gonna help us. Get signs here. We're gonna take this. Add. What is add being used for here? Nothing. Just set the. Okay. These are signs. So what we need to do is we need to take the HL and pass it in, and then pass in that. So we need to do HL equals blah, blah, blah. Like if I do HL equals. I hope this works. I think it'll work. If it doesn't, I'll figure it out later. Or I could really cheat and just do a vim command and just pass in vim script. Damn it. LSP, there we go, this thing. What's different about what's in get signs? Obviously get signs is like passing this table into there, but I figured, or I guess I hoped that it would just work that way. Sign define. Let's see. Is there a way that I can like no manual entry? Yeah, that's because I don't have the thing for that. If I do help, and then if I do vim.fn, and then if I look up sign underscore define, no, sign. Okay, that's not going to be helpful. It's possible it's because what I need to do is take this and pass it into there, actually. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. All right, let's do this. So we're going to grab this. We're going to come over here, paste it, put a comma. Come back over here. F to there, yank. Oh wow, I like how it puts me right back there. That's not good. 1 second. And then if I do, no, I want comma to bring me back. And then this, what? Put me back on F. I don't care. Stupid thing. V, F, this, that. Thank you. And then we're gonna grab this guy here. V, F, this guy, that guy. Put him there. And then we're just gonna get rid of all this again. Did not work. Oh well, I'll look into it later. Thank you for the DM. Which laptop should I buy if I want to install Linux on it? Purism, if you're very rich. Lenovo T-Series, yeah, everyone's gonna have their pick. Currently have an old Lenovo. Yeah, Purism, there you go, if you're a rich person, exactly, yeah. What keyboard do I use? I'm not gonna tell anyone what keyboard I use. I am looking for a mid-range decent, I don't care. You have used wrong highlight. Yep. Upper warnings. High. Oh. But that's not the sign. I wanted to change the sign color, but this is helpful too. Auto indent plugin, like prettier? No, I don't. She sure does indentation. Yeah, I know. I think what you're saying though is will get me this coloring, right? Like this, like it'll color this, right? But I don't think it'll color the signs. I mean, it's worth a try. Let me do, if I do help, sign, should be like a virtual one, text hint. Yeah, that's the virtual text. But that's not the sign, right? Like LSP diagnostic. Why is this defining this? Like, can't I just highlight it? Can't I just say like highlight thing? It's picking up the text. It's picking up the text. Like if I go look at, let's close this. Let's jump over here. Let's go look at get signs and close that. HL equals the highlight group. then the text, then the lines and stuff. I don't know. Default num highlight is wrong? Okay. Yeah, because it says default, right? It should say sign, maybe? Sign. 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 And sign. Sign. Virtual text I do want to do too, though. What am I doing that for? Still, man, what the? Maybe I just misunderstand how to do a highlight in Lua. So let's go talk to this and let's look for highlight. There we go. Better no, I don't want that. I don't want syntax highlighting. I just want like to just like a highlight group in Lua. You know what I might do? Just to test it really fast, is to come inside of get plug config, get gutter, and we have this. And what I can do is I can just do vim.cmd and then just like pass in a line. And then what I'll do is, I don't care about this. What I'll do is I'll go here in Lua LSP and then I'll do V and then we'll close this and then I'll grab this guy. I should have yanked the word even though I don't have the highlighting anymore. Alright, save that, save this, come back here, and now I'll put an error in. Wow. We thought that would have worked. I think another one that they have is diagnostics error. And then I'll try the virtual text one too. Nothing. Okay. And we'll try LSP diagnostic. All right, we want help. LSP diagnostic and diagnostic sign error. Yeah, I mean, you would think that would have worked. We'll try virtual text. We'll put that there. Virtual. Oh, you know about this, huh? Huh? Okay. See, the line numbers are the right color, which leads me to believe something is right. Now, if I come back into Lua and I do this, and I come here, and if I go like this, save that, and now if I go like this, see, it doesn't have the line numbers. Wait, now it has the right colors. It's an enigma, man. What are you? What do you do for me besides take away some things and give me other things? Like, it's all already right. What if I just take away the highlighting from you? Actually, let me leave all of that there. Yank it, paste it, and then come down like this, just so we have it. Now if I get rid of this highlight, and then if I get rid of, we're gonna do just D, and then that, and then we'll just close it. And I think we have to close it like that too. V, and then we'll do F. X. What? And we'll get rid of U. If this doesn't work, I'm giving up. Until later. And then I'll try again. Because there's other things I could be doing. Yeah, see, like you do that, and then it's just like screws everything up. I just want to update the text. I guess it's giving it like a default color too. Has anyone containerized his Vim so there's an image to spin up with Python and other bells and whistles installed? I had one for a minute and then I don't have it anymore. And then it could be versioned if anything, expected breaks during tweaking. I'm kind of fast and loose with it. And yeah, I probably should do that at some point. If you want to containerize it, by all means. I'm going to look back into this later. To do, figure out why this don't work. Okay. Now, I guess another thing that might be interesting is now in init.lua with this other thing that I have here, the virtual text area, and then if I go like this and go like that and like this, yeah, it doesn't do anything. So GUI foreground, like that should just work, but we're gonna get rid of that. I don't care. I don't care right now. What should we do next? I think like this for now. Like at least it's got like the coloring, even though it doesn't have the symbols that I want. Highlighting my yank would be nice. There's a thing on my functions, general functions, and what is this? This must be Snable COC. We'll check this. Functions, yeah, this, the highlight yank. See, I need an auto command in Lua. Auto command. This is not that. Auto command. Defining auto commands. AU groups and auto commands not have an interface yet, but it's being worked on. That's good. Is it closed? Let's find out if this... Nope, it's open. Looks like TJ is hard at work on it though. But until then, it looks like there's a wrapper for mvim create auto group. You know what though? Even easier would be just to go in here and take this and pass it into a Vim CMD. So vim.cmd. I think you can do that. I don't know if that works. No, it doesn't. Wait, what? No such group or event. Hold up. Error when calling Lua chunk. Vim auto CMD. No such group or event. Works on the other one. Oh well. Like this, and then what? Okay. Oh. So, local function define auto group. Create auto commands groups based on past definitions. The key will be blah blah blah. It's a plugin called Bufferline. Define commands. Okay, this is the group. Create an auto command group. Then the group should have, yeah. I think I need to see exactly how it's written in Lua since I don't have a ton of experience writing Lua. Like, what would I pass to this thing? Like definitions, like, I guess I would pass this group highlight yank to it. Because I know this mvim utils thing though, right? But also, how come this doesn't work? Someone also told me something about mvim underscore exec. So you can do like nvim underscore exec. Problem is with that is I think you need to pass like two things to it. Nvim underscore exec. Source and output. I guess I'd need to see it used somewhere, to be honest. Okay, this is an example of you calling this function define auto groups or AU groups, and then you're passing this general settings equals some things override these FT plugin. Exit pre function on editor exit. But where does that on editor exit function come from? Here's that text yank guy. I'll try and grab this and see if I can pass that in and see what happens. You get out of here. Alright, got this. I don't really want to clutter my stuff up too much. Like if this is in the utils, I'd hopefully like to use it there. Define commands. Okay. Now if I come down here, groups. Now let's see what happens. Now it works. Look at that. What a smart guy. Okay. So now this is like general settings. Okay, I just need to understand a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to do this on stream, understanding this. But, okay, we have to escape all of the nice stuff there. And we're passing this for general settings. Now this obviously is for like terminal settings or something like that, so we don't need that right now. I don't know, there's probably something, missing symbol, general set. Let's go back and see where we need to close it. Okay, let's do V, and then we'll do a % sign so that you can just get rid of the junk you don't want. Come back here, and yeah, this is a little ugly, I guess, but that's just because it's wrapping. I thought I set no wrap. Whatever, it's not that bad. We're gonna need a place for like functions and things again for now, until some of this stuff hopefully gets built into something. So that's LSP. Plugins, settings, key mappings. How about I create one called utils, and then hopefully it's already in the other utils. .lua. And then what we'll do is we'll come over here back to not settings. Init.lua, come and grab this function, jump to the bottom, take all that good stuff, come back to this, okay, and create an auto command group based off the past definitions. The key will be the same name as the group. Okay. Key will be the same name as the group. And each within the group should have a trigger. This is your trigger, a pattern, I guess the star is the pattern, and then I guess text would be this here. Yeah. Alright. I mean, I guess that makes sense. At least I can do these now. That'll be helpful. So we have that. I mean, I'm calling the function where I'm defining the function. I'm not really happy with this pattern here, but it is what it is. And what we'll do for now is just pull in utils. And now I think that's in the utils thing, so it's here for now like that, but I might just get it from there in the future. Let's see. Yep, Mvim buffer line, Z, so, sure. Hi, hello. What's the reason you're remaking your thing in Lua? Because Lua is cooler than Vim script. How can I install the vanilla theme? Are you the guy from the other comments thing? The vanilla theme, what I meant by that is like just vanilla Neovim. So it's like, it's just Neovim without a theme. Ask what you're using for project tree view. Oh, it's Mvim tree. Check out Mvim tree. It's on awesome Neovim. All right, dude. You're done for. You're in a timeout. Cause you can't be dealing with that. Spam my chat with the vanilla theme. All right. So let's see what else we got here. Got commentary. Now we got this. This is gonna make my life a lot easier. We got auto pairs. We got that kind of stuff. We got what else we got? What else we need? I need to set up LSP for a few other things, so I might go about doing that. I can set it up for Java. I need LSP commands for like GD and all that kind of good stuff. So if I go into LSP, I guess I'm gonna keep it in init. I'm just gonna keep anything in init that's just like basic LSP stuff like that. So I have some LSP commands that I can use on my GitHub. Look at this guy, vanilla theme. For real. Some people, and I don't mind questions and stuff like that, but like that's what I have the Discord for. And I don't mind even like I'll answer questions and comments and stuff like that, but like some people ask for like insane, like they ask insane questions in the comments, like just like it'll be like not even related to the video, and it's just like how do I install i3 or like, and it'll be on a Neovim video or something like that. And I'm just like, I don't know, man, like I don't know. Let's go here and let's look in this, and then let's look inside. No, not in here. We're gonna look inside of Lua plugins. No, LSP, and then I have something somewhere that defines keys. Somewhere. Am I gonna be able to find it? Yeah, eventually, but you know you have a problem when even you can't get through your own thing. That's that. This is the wrapper because I wanted to wrap these things. This is Colorizer, Compy, Galaxy Line, Saga, Mvim Tree. Okay, it's none of those. Bash, CSS, Docker, General. No, that's General for EFM. GraphQL, HTML, Java. No, that's where I got that nonsense that doesn't work. Kind. Oh, we're gonna have to do that. Okay, it's none of those. So we know it's not in this directory. In plug config. LSP config. Yes, it is. All right, now this is a bunch of stuff too for Java. Here is an auto command. So I think he sent me the thing for auto command, so I'm gonna have to check that out. Just so like, if my thinking is like for a file type that's Java, you want to use like the JDTLS code action because apparently it's not wrapped inside of like the code action that's available here. I'm just gonna do these like kind of line by line. And yeah, so we're gonna do this, do vim.cmd for now. I'm gonna update it later to be pure Lua. I know this is still Lua, but it's like cheating. Oh man. Let's just do this then, and let's just go like this. And then we'll do this. You know what's gonna be painful though? Is escape sequences and stuff. Do I have to escape any of this? I don't think I do. All right, let's go to definition. We're gonna check with hover doc. Okay, vim.cmd. We're gonna open up this. We'll go like that. We'll go like this. And like this. And we'll save that. Yeah, now see we get the good hover dock. That's better, right? I know there's a way. All right, the reason I'm doing it this way, and believe me, there's a reason, is because when I did it before and I tried go to definition and doing it through the regular Lua way, it didn't work for some reason. So that's why I'm doing it this way. So we have the first one, which is definition. We want declaration and references and implementation. We already have, we want code action. So we're going to want those. We already have that. We're going to want this. Diagnostic jumps. We have auto commands for auto format. Let's grab just this chunk. We'll figure out how to do auto commands in a minute. Then we will also figure out how to do auto commands for Java, even though I don't have all the Java stuff set up. All right, let's take you. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Do that. All right, and then I'll just type it. Vim cmd. Okay. Vim.cmd md. Go like this. Insert vim.cmd. .cmd. Someone's probably complaining right now that I'm doing it this way, but I am not a Lua expert yet. And I tried this with Lua before and it didn't work right. Vim.cmd. Okay. All right, now we have our normal LSP abilities. So we can like do this. I don't think we're gonna be able to go to definition. I don't think Lua really gives you that on this. I can go to like the definition of require, but that's not super helpful. Anyway, all right. Anything in chat? Configure LSP Saga? Yeah. I have a good amount of stuff just done through LSP Saga. No theme, just the current theme of your terminal. Nah, it'll just be like regular, the Vim theme, right? Like if you just see this color scheme thing, like if I get rid of it, right? This is not right. This actually isn't the scheme that I was expecting. But like, if you just have regular Neovim, that was what I meant by the vanilla theme. They're referencing a video that I have, and in the video I just had no color scheme at all. And that's kind of just like what came up. Like it's not an actual theme, right? It's just vanilla. This might be a colloquialism that just like maybe they're not understanding because they're not like they just don't know it, but vanilla just means like the one that comes out of the box. What is this distro? The distro one is Arch Linux. It's the one that has really shitty internet. Let's throw this. here. And then, oh wait, someone sent me a message. Well, I'll tell you what, dude, you're a Chad if this works. I'll be very happy with you. So let's go like this. Let's go back to Lua. Let's go here. New, yep, actually, yep. We do want to be here. And we got this. Okay. This, that's what I thought I had. That's what I thought I had. If yours works and mine doesn't, we can't be friends, man. Yeah, see? It still doesn't work. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. I'm still trying to figure that out. It's obviously something stupid I'm doing if this is working for you. Now you have this sign error thing instead of default. Like if I just put sign here, maybe there's something better about your string of code. Now, see? It does the number, but it doesn't do... I want this to be red. This part to be red. You know what I mean? ls new this, yes. Alright. Actually, we're just gonna look for other stuff that we're gonna need to do. Is the key, right? Yeah, like how come this part isn't highlighted then? You know what I mean? If you figure it out, let me know. Right. Maybe it's something, maybe it's a highlight group in my theme. Because I could have swore I did something like that. I must be overriding them. You know what? Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Maybe I'm just overriding them. Let's find out. Let's do... Well, first of all, we could do this and check. So if I come up here and if I bring back your stuff, right? And then if I come over here and then if I do default, like how you have, save that, do that, and what we can do is telescope color scheme, and then we'll... How come this... Oh, do I not have telescope configured? I don't think I have telescope configured. We will try Groovebox, one of my color schemes. We will try... Groovebox is such an ugly color scheme, man. We will try... Industry isn't one of mine. No, see, this isn't even one of mine. So I don't know what's happening. Alright, let's see what chat's saying. Said it was Arch Linux. Bar is also awesome. It just had less Lua. That's why I used the other one. Please don't block me. My brother and I would love the theme. It's the one from the video is just regular the Vim theme. It's not, I didn't put a theme. Is there a difference of syntax between Lua and Lua JIT? Neovim uses Lua just-in-time compiler, right? And as far as I know, things are just faster and, like, I guess lazy or something like that. I don't really know the difference. I'm learning Lua still. I've heard of just-in-time compilers. I know, like, Julia has a just-in-time compiler. I know a lot of things have that, but I don't know enough about them. Do a macro because I'm lazy, dude. Stop bullying me. That's that. Hey, what's up, Ronnie? Ronnie's one of the guys, a regular in our Discord. Cool dude. Not like Shadow. And then... Yeah, I thought that, but then it still had the problem with the other theme. Missed an S there. Probably did. Wow, man. You're wrong. You put a typo in HL. And then you put a laughy emoji at me. Because it's funny. It's funny to watch me do everything wrong. Let's see. Where did I put a typo? I did put a typo. I did put a typo. You know what? I did. Maybe it's that. Maybe it's that. But I know it's not going to be that for my theme, right? That's still going to be broken. But what we can do is we can check color scheme. And now we can go to... A lot of these are managed by me. Let's try Elf Lord. See? Still broken. I don't do Elf Lord. And we'll check and see if there's anything else here. Let's see. I do have a typo, you're right, but I still have the issue. Everyone pointed out it must be funny to know, like, watch me put that there, watch me save the file and do all these things, and hear me talk as if things are fine. Let's see. That's NeoGit. We're not doing that right now. This is this thing. I got to check out the nvim utils thing. We have code actions. We have the highlight yank. I feel like... Here we go. This was everything else I needed for nvim tree. So that it can stop being annoying. Another thing, I actually need to... You see all these like highlights and shit? That's quickscope, and I gotta fix that. So... What am I doing? I'm doing nvim tree really fast. Okay, let's jump up here. Let's pick... Oh no, this is Vim script. Does he have Lua? Neovim. Why? You know, sometimes Cirx or whatever, it's good, and sometimes it's not good. Neovim, nvim tree. Dude. Plug in. Angry. Best way to probably find it would be to go to that awesome Neovim thing. If I go back, I think this is it. Yep. And we're gonna want to look for tree. This is all tree sitter stuff. Look at this, like 97% Lua. And does he have a Lua? Nah, he doesn't. So I'm gonna have to set these like manually. Oh, how do you set globals again? There's got to be a better way than the way that I set globals before. I think I have. Is it here? Here we go. Vim.g. Vimg dot and then equals the thing. So now if I go over here into vim.g dot, whatever it is. Now if I go let's see, first of all, let's I think I even want that. That's 0 by default. We want this one on. We at least know we want this one on, so let's... Because that's the one that's annoying me lately. So we'll do... We'll put a dot, and then we'll do vim dot. And then we need a different way to comment. And we'll just do that. And now this should auto close. Now if I like jump over here and close this, yeah. Yep, there we go. Cool, cool. Let's see which ones of these we want. So we definitely want this just in case we bring Startify back. Then .g dot and then Startify, and we'll pass this. Actually, I think I want the spaces. And then we're gonna take these out of here, put them there. This we don't care about. We definitely want specific things to be ignored. This is a list though. I wonder, do I pass it a table? That's going to be a question for the future. Quit on open, 0 by default anyway. Tree follow, changes the cursor to be updated when entering a buffer. I think I do want that. I think I do want that. Option allows the cursor to be updated when entering a buffer. Maybe I don't. I don't know. Maybe I do. Let's turn it on. vim.g. Follow, indent markers. Oh, I definitely want this. Hide dot files. Yeah, I think I want that. Neovim tree root folder modifier. I'm using the default size, so I don't care. By default, will open the tree when entering a new tab and the tree was previously open. What? Yeah, I don't care about that. Well, these technically aren't tabs, they're buffers, but whatever. Resize will not resize the tree when opening a file. I don't think I need to do that. All right, now I should be able to do this again. Now I'd rather not use net.rw, but I'm not able to get this working. Like I should be able to do 1 and 1, and now if I go like this, mvim dot, but what it actually opens is like a file named dot, and not like, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm just gonna hold on to net.rw for a while, for at least doing that. But that's actually what Ranger should be for, to be honest. That's why I had Ranger, because it's just better as like a first open for a directory at least. Oh, you know what? Again, like I knew this, I just don't do it. There we go. Check some of this stuff. Poor shadow. Yeah, poor Shadow. He's got it tough. What does the activities icon in the top right corner do? I don't know. Amazing config, thank you. Why, what? I don't know. It's like Sublime or something. I think the activity icon's up in the notification center. What activity icon are we talking about? You're looking for an Neovim tree. All have defaults though. You don't need to copy what he has. Yeah. Sometimes I put it there just as documentation, just in case I want it there, and then I can just look at my config instead of going back to his repo. So even if something is default, I'll put it there just so like I can change it later. There's an argument to sign, define, text highlight. There's text highlight, really? Oh. Okay, I'll try that. The top right corner of my polybar. Oh, this button? It just opens up a notification center, and then I can do this stuff. It's, you know, what do I use it for? There's all my Brave things, so I can earn BAT. I actually earn a good amount of BAT, and BAT's kind of popped off. Someone was just telling me there's something called text highlight, and now I have to go try that. Let's not use that. Let's use this. I don't know if I can pass text highlight first, but I'm gonna try. And if this doesn't work, again, I don't even care. I'm just gonna hope somebody puts a PR out and saves me from my ignorance here. Okay. All right. Look at that. That's exactly what I needed. Text highlight. Now I want to do virtual text colors. Yeah, now I want to do virtual text colors with that same stuff. So, however I just did that. Thank you. Who said that? Pratik Sharma. Good call. Do I find the virtual text annoying? A little bit. Kinda. Yeah, I do find it annoying. What I would rather have is, I think I would rather have this. Well, I don't totally find it. I'd like to be able to toggle it on and off. Okay, first of all, I don't actually find it annoying if I could toggle it on and off. Now, imagine you could just turn that on and off just by pressing like leader or something, right? And what I would really like is then if it's off, I'd like some over top of the thing that it just pops up in like a little window like that, my error. Right? That'd be kind of cool. That's what I would rather have. And I'm assuming they'll do that in the future. But for now, this is what we have. What the hell was I doing? Oh, yeah. I wanted virtual text colors. Yep, that's what I wanted. Okay, so we're going to take this same shit here, go like this, and virtual text error. We're going to see what it takes to get that done. Virtual text error. Virtual. No. That's not what I actually wanted. What I actually wanted was virtual text warning. Virtual text hint. That's what I wanted. And we're going to test that out. Nope. All right, that's fine. And what we're going to do now is we're going to just change it all to that. Yank that word. P ink word P. All right, try that. Doesn't work. All right, so I'm not sure why that wouldn't work. I'm really not sure why that wouldn't work. You know what? The reason is because I don't actually have colors for that. I may be able to just get away. First of all, it's not a sign. So first of all, I'm stupid. Second of all, what I really need to do is I need to take all of these. And I wonder if someone realized that. Yank inner word. Yeah, you're right about that. How I compile my script on macOS. What script? You are right about yank inner word. I should be doing that. I've picked up bad habits. And they're all on display all the time. So, oh wait, I should just be searching. LSP. Okay. Put a space there. Now, this is not what I want. Or this. I'm gonna get rid of that. This wrapping's kind of annoying the shit out of me. I need to fix that. Wow, that was terrible. Okay, now let's do D that, D this, D this, and then we'll do this, this. I love this. Look at this. Thank you. That was so helpful. I'm gonna have to sort that out in the future. Error red, orange, even though I really don't like orange as that color, but whatever. Yellow and blue. Blue. All right, generate. Lazy git. Update LSP. Virtual text. Push. Internet's acting up. Sure, the stream's dropping. All right, there we go. I really gotta fix that internet thing, man. Like, it's just like constantly on and off, on and off, on and off. It's a nightmare. I'm gonna jump back to. Why am I here? Alright, now we're going to save that, come back into here. Yep, now we got all the colors. Look at that. Very colorful, very handsome. You're on my GitHub repo. You just kind of clone it. Should do most of the work. Thanks, Marcus. Good night, Ronnie, I guess, wherever you are. It's nighttime. Get out of here. This works fine now. I do want, this looks just cool. I like this, like modern kind of, like this looks old and like for a boomer, and this looks, I don't know. I'm gonna have to go find that out. This code. Look, he's already got it all here. What I could literally do right now is probably just steal it and see if I like it. Neovim dot lua galaxy line. Yes. Jump to the bottom here, paste in the new thing. See if we like it. Oh, where's my circles and stuff? Oh, there they go. Yeah, see, that's kind of cool. What is this? Plugins.lua? That's the use nonsense. I'd rather have a different orange than this orange because it's the same as like that. So that's going to have to be updated in the future because this looks god-awful. We're going to need different colors for diagnostics and stuff, like specific diagnostics colors. Key mappings, plugins. Let's try and see it on something like this, I guess. You know what I don't like though? It's all kind of busted up with the font. So while I do like the bubbles, my font doesn't like this stuff, I guess. If anyone knows why that is, let me know. But for now, what I'm gonna do, since that's looks a little janky, I'm gonna go down to Galaxy Line, discard all changes, and actually I'm gonna push all this stuff up so people can play with it. Lots cool updates. There we go. All right, and what time is it? 4:55. Probably do a little bit more. Blah blah, red color diagnostics. Alright, yeah. Nothing new there. I don't know if there's much else to really do. That stuff. I really should probably do better with LSP Saga. I could set up a bunch of language servers for things that would probably be useful, like JDTLS and Python, and maybe all the TypeScript stuff. I know people want to set up ESLint and Prettier. I could do that with EFN. Couple more plugins. I might bring Startify back, update Quickscope. Then I'm going to have to do a bunch of key bindings. I'd like to find a new which key thing. And then I think it's mostly good. I don't know if there's much else I would realistically need. You know? I guess I could look through all the good Lua stuff. But yeah, I don't think there's a ton more stuff. Like, just for, like, once you have LSP, I mean, there's definitely the debug adapter protocol thing I could set up. But I don't really care too much about that. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you guys can leave something in the comments. And I can check it out. Like if you have a cool plugin or something you'd like to see in the config. From now on, what we're going to be doing, if you want to contribute, is we're just going to be looking at the master branch and just be making pull requests against that. We can ignore the Lua config branch. I'm going to look into some of these PRs people have been putting out. This Vim tech support we're going to have to add into the new thing. Commentary, we're using a whole new commentary now, so that's going to be a pain in the ass. Probably still need to update that for React. I might do some more stuff tonight. Also, I'm going to want to update these highlight groups. What does this do? Oh, it closes everything. That's kind of cool. I like that. That puts you right in netrw. That's alright. I like that. Maybe you know what? I'd probably press it and then it would put me in the other thing too. Alright, but I think I'm going to end the stream for a little bit, and I'll probably stream again later tonight.